Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to replace your vehicle's wiper blades. If your wipers are going wacky, improve your visibility in rain or hazardous weather by following these easy steps. First, what size blades are you looking for? This information can be found in your vehicle's owner's manual or by measuring the length of your current blades. So let's get started. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stays in this raised position. Be careful not to let the wiper blade slap back onto the windscreen, as it could break it, so I'm going to use my trusty blue cloth there. Not foolproof, but it'll help. Find the release tab on the blade, which may be on the underside of the wiper, or at the connection point where the arm meets the blade. Press the release tab to release the blade from the arm. Voila! Now it's time to attach the new blade to the same connection point on the wiper arm. Make sure that it clicks into place so you know it's not going to come loose. And that's it done. So gently lower the wiper blade back down onto the windscreen. If you want to repeat these steps, you can do so for the second blade. Once you're done, you can test out your new wiper blades on a clean windscreen by pouring water on the windscreen and turning the wipers on. Check to see that they're wiping evenly without any streaks or skipping. It's that easy. But if you don't feel like you have the patience or time for this, don't sweat the small stuff, just contact a professional mechanic. Sharing is caring. When you know, you know. Get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice catering for all top vehicle brands.